On Draw Stuff Real Easy today, I'm going to show you how to draw a creepy skeleton hand for Halloween, but let's not talk about it. Let's do it. So I'm going to start by penciling in, and don't press hard because you want to erase this later. This is going to be this part here, and then we're going to have the thumb will sort of come down there, and then we've got the first finger and the middle finger. That's ring finger. That's the ring finger, and then that's the little finger, the pinky, and then we've got the radius. And oh no, don't quote me on that. This video is inspired by my new book, How to Draw Halloween Stuff Real Easy. It is packed with over 160 Halloween ideas. You can get the book from Amazon, ebook downloads from Amazon and Spring underneath this video. You'll get it for free, as well as lots of other stuff when you join me on Patreon. All the links and details are in the description box below. Now in ink, what I'm going to do is draw all these funny little nobule bits here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then we'll kind of do another couple of little bits in there, and then we can sort of do the bone part. Let's just have it going right off the page. So that's going to sort of come off like that, and then we'll have another one there like that, and then this will sort of come around and down to there. Now we've got just a lot of kind of looping that goes on there. So the thumb is a bit shorter than the fingers, so we're going to go one loop, so that's a curve down like that, and a curve, and then a curve up. And then we'll do a curve up and a curve up, and then a curve up to join in a point. And then we can do that to create the joints. Now here we want to do a curve and a curve like that. So this wants to be a longer one. So this is kind of this section here. And then that will want to go to a curve and a curve and a curve. So here we'll do a curve up and a curve up and a curve down. So this gets like a talon at the end. And we want something similar next, where we're going to do a long curve like that, and then a curve and a curve and a curve. And we'll do curving up and curving up, curving up, and then curving down at the end into that talon. And we'll do the same again. So we'll do curve that way. 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to curve up, 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 and then down to create that kind of talon. And then we want the final one will be coming up. Oh, where are we going to go up? 1, 2, 3, and curve up 1, 2, and then down, and create those joints on the fingers. Now when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dried, then you can erase those pencil lines, and let's just ink in those little bits in between like that. And then I'm going to put some little bits of shading in there. So we're going to do big, little, middle, tiny, big, middle, tiny, big, middle, tiny. So they kind of get bigger and then they get smaller, don't they, like that. And then you can just go all the way down the bone like this, and I'll just speed through this. And then each of these fingers we can do a little bit of shading. So do big, big, little, big, big, little, or rather big, middle, little, big, middle, little, big, middle, little. So they're just getting just slightly smaller as we go along. So I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4 that way, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So they just get smaller as you progress. And I'm practiced at this, so you might want to do it a bit more slowly. And you could maybe do it coming back that way as well. Like that. Oh, you don't have to do all of them. And I think we want some creepiness, so like that, like it's actually kind of moving. And there you go, how to draw a creepy skeleton hand for Halloween. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. And in the meantime, keep drawing, 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 practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.